Hi, my name is Suvarna Ganta and I work as a Solutions Analyst. I support product operations, agile delivery and overall application performance. My work mainly focuses on coordinating with the team, improving processing and ensuring smooth digital platforms. I started my journey as a marketing analyst and within a short time moved into solutions analyst role. The growth has been very quick and very meaningful because I had the opportunity to work on the real-time projects which gave me the confidence and also the ownership of responsibilities to do the tasks and also expand my skills in all sets. In my role, I'm focused on keeping our digital products running smoothly and making sure the right team stays aligned. A big part of my work is making sure the work is going organized and what needs to be done and making sure we are delivering the perfect product to the end users and not something in the developing stage. I also pull together insights that help the team make better and also stay aware of what's happening in the market via market research and other insight tools. The moments I'm proud of mostly come from helping teams work better and creating more stability in our product performance. I've also been in the role of contributing ideas and insights that shaped a few improvements along the way. Overall, it's been meaningful to be playing a part in our making process smoother and the user experience stronger. My mentors and leaders have been extremely supportive. They give me clear guidance, encourage learning, and trust me with the responsibilities that help me grow. Their feedback and support made it easy for me to take on new challenges confidently. A standard memory for me is one of our team dinner gatherings. We laughed a lot, shared stories, and it made me feel even more connected with my team members. And I also love collaborating with cross-functional teams in every project because every project teaches us something new and which keeps things interesting. Be open to learning, communicate actively, and take ownership of your work. The environment here provides you plenty of opportunities. So if you are someone curious and proactive, you will grow faster and enjoy the experience.